Today, I am going to show you how to use Plenty of Fish. The first thing to do is to go to Google web browser, go to Plenty of Fish site, enter your age, click continue. Also, you need to fill in your interest here. So feel free to click any and click continue. Now, they need to ask for your birth date. It's about dating, so they want to make sure of your age. Okay, so once done, click continue. Here, type your name, nickname, and click continue. Next, you need to type your email address and create a strong password. Now you need to open your email address to click the link for verification. After that, you're way to go to this application. To get started, upload your photo. Always make sure that it's a good one so that a lot of people would love to meet you and to know you. So here it is. Enjoy Plenty of Fish. Thank you for watching.